Focus Ireland provides a range of services for people who are homeless or who are at risk of becoming homeless. It also provides an advocacy service which helps us to try and change the system. In short, we want to end homelessness. We provide services to those families to help them find a home and move out of homelessness, but also the very basic services that people need, like food and shelter. Last year we served over 40,000 meals to people, which just shows the unprecedented demand on the services.
Mercy Law Resource Centre was set up in 2009. We're an independent law centre and registered charity, and our aim is to provide accessible and free legal advice and representation to individuals who are homeless or who are at risk of homelessness. And the need for our service has really come about in the absence of a state legal aid scheme to provide for housing and homeless matters. As the housing crisis has developed over recent years, our capacity has been increasingly stretched to meet the need of our prospective clients. We therefore reached out to the Public Interest Law Alliance to see what supports might be out there to enhance our capacity and to improve our reach. And they partnered us with A&L Goodbody solicitors to be able to develop this housing project. I suppose the key difference for the solicitors working in these clinics is that it's really face-to-face with the individual client, and they're often dealing with people who are very vulnerable and who have a range of challenges that are coming up in their life alongside the crisis of homelessness. So the solicitors have had to be aware of those vulnerabilities and perhaps adapt their own working relationships to be able to meet the person on the ground and to meet them in their place and meet their needs right there at the appointment.
We've been trying to tackle some of those really complicated issues, but we needed outside expertise, and the expertise that Mercy Law and A&L Goodbody's brought in this partnership have helped us achieve outcomes for our customers we never would have been able to do before. There's also been a great cross-pollination of expertise where we have an understanding of the vulnerability and the circumstances that people who are homeless find themselves in, but then we have this fantastic expertise, legal advice, assistance that makes a real difference to people on the ground. There's two benefits of the partnership. The first is it's actually made a difference to the system and how the system works, because we've better analysis, better data and better expertise that we can use to advocate to change the system for the better of the people that we work with. But then on an individual basis, we've had huge successes where people who have been homeless or are about to become homeless have been saved because of the expertise that this partnership has brought. So it makes a real difference to the people who use the service. For Focus Ireland, it's given us that additional strength to be able to advocate more strongly for our customers. And I think it's unlocked potential whereby a partnership like this has delivered different and better results than we could have done on our own.